The WORX Hydroshot 20V WG620 is a versatile portable power cleaner that offers 5 times more pressure than a regular garden hose, making it perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. Weighing less than 4 pounds with the battery, this lightweight machine is easy to handle and maneuver, providing a convenient cleaning solution without the bulk of traditional pressure washers. Its innovative design allows it to draw water from any fresh water source, such as pools, ponds, or even buckets, enabling you to clean virtually anywhere without being tethered to a garden hose. Featuring a 5-in-1 nozzle, the Hydroshot offers flexibility with 5 different pressure settings, allowing you to adjust the spray according to your cleaning needs. This model comes with a 2-liter bottle connector, increasing its portability and making it ideal for on-the-go cleaning tasks. Powered by the WORX Power Share platform, the Hydroshot's battery is compatible with other WORX tools, offering efficient power management across your cordless tool collection.